glad. You better get this before he stops.
Open it up again. There. Daddy, he's gonna bite the camera.
Can you zoom in further? Oh, that gets the mark. That's good.
Don't put that in.
Can we keep him, Daddy?
He's gonna get mad at the camera. Doesn't it sort of look like a pretzel? He's all folded up, sort of like a pretzel.
Yeah, he does look like a pretzel.
All folded up like one.
Dad, that's kind of, like close.
Yeah, he's gonna get really mad.
Good from the other angle so you can see how his head is shaped. Screaming Bloody Mary.
His head is a triangle shape. He's mad.
He doesn't like that.
He has orange on him.
Yeah, he's pretty. I want to keep him. He's just scared. He's not mad, he's just scared. He's sure gonna... Sorry.